Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to set up a Mitsubishi Q PLC to a GOT2000 HMI through the PLC Ethernet port. In GXWorks 2, I have set an IP address to the module and checked the MC protocol box. In my main program, I made a program that will be used to the HMI. I will download these settings and program to the PLC. We can now open up GT Designer and create a new project. Here, we choose the correct HMI type, then MELSEC Q. As the connect, we want to choose Ethernet. We need to choose an IP address in the same range as the PLC to the HMI. If we now go to Controller Settings, we need to specify the PLC type, IP address, and port number. I will add two buttons and connect them to the memory bits I made in my program. Then I will add two lamps that will be controlled by the buttons. And last, I will add a numerical display. I will now download the project to the HMI and then test it out. When I now push my buttons, the lamps will turn on. When I modify my label, it will show on the HMI. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.